for this other case here, they can also trace the question this way. Now A, Q, R and S shared a sum of money in the ratio 3:4:6:7. If S, this will be P, Q, R and S. So now if S receives 600 naira more than Q, so first, to make you understand better, do you know how much they shared? Say calculate the amount of money that was shared. So we don't know it. Anytime you don't know the amount that was shared, you will say let the amount shared be Y. Take note, if total amount that they share is not there, represent it as alphabet. Now remember, if this is money that we know now, just like previous example, how much will P collect here? P will collect, first you add the ratio. Remember, to share anything in ratio, add the ratio together. So that means this will be 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7. So that is what? So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7, add everything. So everything should be 20. So now that means the total ratio is 20. So P will receive 3/20 times Y. That is the total amount they are sharing, since we don't know. So this will be 3/20. So now that is the amount P will receive. So just take note that if the question did not give you total amount, just represent it as any alphabet and use the normal procedure of sharing something in ratio. Add the ratios together. So now Q will receive what? 4/20 times Y. So that will be 4Y, which we can actually reduce here. 2 here, 2, 2 here, 10. Okay, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. That is 1 times this Y is over 1. So that is Y over 5. Then R will receive 6/20 times Y. That is 3Y over 10. That is 2 here 3, 2 here 10. Then S will receive 7/20 times Y. So that is 7Y over 20. So now if you look at the question, so this is the amount each will receive. Because we don't know the total amount, so we can't get number here. So that means total will each of P, Q and R will R and S will receive all this money. So what did they now say in question? They now say if S received 600 naira more than Q, so that is anything Q received plus 600 is for S. So if S receives 600 naira more than Q, so from here, that is when you can now know S. So now that means this will be 7Y over 20 is equals to 600 over 1 plus QY over 5. So now let's find Y. So how can we find Y here? So you are finding the LCM. So, and if you have fraction like this, don't bother to find LCM. Don't bother to cross multiply. Just find the LCM of everything here. The LCM is 20. So multiply each by that LCM, that is that 20. So that 20 will cancel 20 here. That is 7Y equals 600 times 20. 6 times 2, 12,000 plus 5 here 1, 5 here 4. That will be 4Y. Collect like times. 7Y minus 4Y equals 12,000. So 3Y. So Y equals to 12,000 over 3. So Y equals 4,000. Answer. So that means they shared 4,000 naira. So in question like this, if you don't know the total number they shared, you can represent it as unknown and do it like normal way you share ratio. So you can now go further just like this question. So